you are. Welcome to Thursday's Drop in Craft. Today we are making binoculars. How are we making these? Very easy. We're taking either toilet paper rolls, empty toilet paper rolls, or we're taking paper towel rolls that are empty and cutting them in half. And we're taking, you could decorate it any way you want. You could put wrapping paper on it, you could put tissue paper on it, you could color it in with markers, paints, anything you have in the house, stickers. I did this one with ribbon. I started the ribbon and I just went round and around and around until the whole thing was covered. This is how we're going to do it. You're going to take 2 of your rolls and your glue, and you're going to glue 2 rolls together. Just like that. And then you're going to take your 3rd roll and you're going to cut it in half so it opens up. And you're going to put more glue onto this. And you're going to cover your cardboard rolls with that 3rd piece. So this is a piece that you're going to decorate. Now I'm going to decorate mine with wrapping paper. So the first thing that I'm going to do, so we could put something, so we could put this around your neck and you can go outside and look for things, I'm going to put 2 holes on each side of my binoculars. And then I'm going to take a piece of string. I'm taking wool. And I'm going to string it through this half. And then on the other side. Just like this. So now when you're outside, you're not going to be able to lose your binoculars. Then I'm going to take my wrapping paper that I found downstairs. It's under the sea. And I'm going to put glue all over here. I'm going to move my string inside so when I decorate, it doesn't get in the way. And then I'm going to take my wrapping paper and I'm going to wrap it around my binoculars, just like this. And if you have any extra piece, you just cut it off. And I have those like that. And then, maybe to make it stick a little, you could put some stickers on to keep it more decorative. Or I have a smiley face sticker that I'll put on. And then you could take, if you're going out to look for birds, you could take a feather, stick it on like that, and you have your birds. That is how the easy binoculars are made. Don't even think about anything. Just decorate, go outside, and have a good time and see what you could see up in the trees. That's it for today. Thanks. See you next week.